Want to extract audio from a video for free? Whether it's music, a podcast, or a voice recording, I'll show you 2 super easy ways to convert any video to MP3 using Edimakor. Let's get started. Method 1. Download online videos as MP3. If your video is from YouTube or another supported website, this is the fastest method. Go to Downloader in Edimakor. Copy the video link and paste it into the downloader. After the video is detected, simply choose MP3 as the download format. Click Download, and Edimakor will save only the audio file to your computer. No extra conversion needed. Method 2. Extract audio from local videos. Already have the video on your computer? Just import it into Edimakor. Drag it onto the timeline. You can edit and trim the clip however you like in Edimakor. When you're ready, click Export. Under the export settings, choose Audio, then select MP3 as the output format. Click Export, and your video's audio will be extracted in just a few seconds. It's that simple. Publish to get free credits. Once you export your video, don't forget to publish to social media. To celebrate Edimakor's 2nd anniversary, add #Edimakor happy birthday to your post to earn 60 free credits. That's it. Whether you're downloading online videos as MP3 or extracting audio from your own videos, Edimakor makes the whole process quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI and video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.